afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. I am super happy you're joining me today, and welcome to 4362 Prada Place here in the beautiful neighborhood of Southern Highlands. This neighborhood is super quiet. I am so glad you're tuning in with me today, guys, because this is a beautiful home, 2-story, fully renovated, and also it has that swimming pool, and it's so nice here in the fabulous Las Vegas. The weather is getting warmer, so I really love to tour this home with you guys because we'll be able to see this beautiful home together. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below if you're new to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video to your family and friends who might be interested in this kind of home here in the beautiful Southern Highlands. I can't wait, guys, but before also we proceed, please check out the channel page for more home tours. Okay guys, I'm super excited. Let's get started. Let's tour this home together. Upon going back home to your beautiful home, you are going to enjoy this mature landscaping. This grass here is natural. That means these are the only few homes here in the fabulous Las Vegas that has that natural grass to enjoy. In addition, you have this solar powered lights that is so good during the night when it's lit up. Your house is going to be lit up and very beautiful to see during the night when this solar powered spotlights are open. The other feature of this house is that you have this raised garden with river racks. Isn't it nice to have a place to sit in front of your house and enjoy and relax and see the beautiful weather here in the fabulous Las Vegas? Before we enter this beautiful home, I wanted to mention, guys, you are getting this 86 feet long driveway. Isn't it nice? You have this kind of driveway. You don't have to worry about parking constraints. This driveway can fit approximately 8 cars, no problem. And then you have additional 2-car garage there. Perfect situation to welcome your guests. The good thing about this house is that it already has installed its own camera. As you can see, guys, you are protected because there are so many cameras all over this house. This beautiful home has a side entrance which has the access to your beautiful pool, and your pool is already gated. We will check that pool in a while. Welcome to this beautiful home. This home has a covered patio, which is really nice. It protects you from the sun, the rain, or the wind before even entering your house. Welcome to this beautiful home. This home is open. You have your living room area here. You can put your dining area on this side of the home. And as you will notice, guys, this house is already finished and recently renovated with this nice luxury vinyl plank. This house comes with this blind, so you don't have to worry about purchasing those. You just have to move in and enjoy a beautiful life here in Las Vegas. On the right side of the house is a coat closet, conveniently located. Also on the right side is the half bathroom, easily accessible upon entering the house. Now let's take a look at this kitchen right here, which is an open area to your great room and also your breakfast nook area. This breakfast nook area is circular in design, so you can put like a circular table, round table here. In addition, your breakfast nook area is facing this very modern kitchen. This kitchen is a wraparound kitchen. You have the kitchen island in the middle, perfect for your preparation of your food. In addition, I wanted to mention, guys, this white kitchen was recently put and it matches perfectly with the sparkle of this gray color of your quartz countertop. You will also get this Samsung microwave and stove. It's nice that you already have this 2-door refrigerator. On this side of the kitchen, facing your great room, is your very luxurious farm sink. In addition, you have this elongated faucet. You also will get a dishwasher. In addition, this kitchen is finished with this nice pattern and unique pattern of backsplash, which actually has this gray and white colors in them that matches perfectly your gray quartz countertop and your white cabinetry. This house is also very generous. When they did the renovation, they put this 6 recessed lighting. In addition to this, on the breakfast nook area, you also have 4 recessed lighting. So they really done well in terms of making sure you have a very bright kitchen to enjoy. One very special feature of this cabinet is that they have this soft closing. A lot of people really like to have soft closing doors, so that's very special. Right off the kitchen is your very spacious laundry room area. This is very spacious, guys, so you can put a lot of cabinetry here to store your items, no problem. Let's go now to your great room area. Now this great room area is facing your beautiful kitchen. You have this area where you can put your entertainment center, put your television there, your speakers, so that you can enjoy this beautiful great room. You already has this fixture here, which is very needed in the hot weather of Las Vegas. And then this great room is also facing your beautiful swimming pool. Now let's go to the second floor. This house has been renovated with the idea of you being able to enjoy all of the floors with luxury vinyl plank. As you can see, guys, they finished even your steps going to the second floor with this luxury vinyl plank. In addition, these railings make this area even more spacious in appearance. Welcome to the second floor. Now there is an area here where you can put your table for your office work. This is a perfect location for your home office work. On the left side, upon going up the second floor, you have 3 secondary bedrooms. One of them is on this side of the home with already installed ceiling fan and lighting. On the second area also is with a ceiling fan. I mentioned a while ago, you don't have to worry about all of the blinds. It is all over all of these rooms and also on the first floor. We're inside one of the 3 secondary bedrooms where this bedroom will enjoy the view of the hills here in the beautiful Southern Highlands. This second floor has a great floor plan because all of your 3 secondary bedrooms are separated from the primary bedroom. Before we go to the primary bedroom, this hallway you have this linen closet, and now we're going to show you the full secondary bathroom. This secondary full bathroom is finished with this luxurious flooring, and also it is finished with this very nice gray quartz countertop, and you have this white sink. This shower area has been upgraded with this glass door so that you don't have to worry about putting any curtain at all. Welcome to this very spacious primary bedroom. This is a very spacious one. You also have that area where you can put your television. I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy this. So much natural light coming inside this bedroom because you have very massive windows all over this primary bedroom. On the left side of your primary bedroom is your walk-in closets. Pretty spacious. Welcome to this very spacious primary bathroom. On this primary bathroom, you have 2 sinks, one for you and one for your significant other. There is also a very luxurious bathtub here that you can enjoy aside from the shower area. Now this shower area is finished with this glass door, very clean looking. It also has that seating arrangement for you to enjoy. In addition, you have these 2 huge windows which has already these blinds if you make yourself more private. However, the good thing is that this bathtub is positioned in a corner of this bathroom wherein your view is the roof of your neighbor because your neighbor only has a single-story home. Another special feature of this primary bathroom is that you already have this very luxurious feeling of the tile floor. Now we're gonna go to your beautiful swimming pool. I can't wait, guys, because the weather here in Las Vegas is getting warmer and hotter, so you will definitely need this swimming pool. This swimming pool can be accessed by going through this side door. So I wanted to show you how it goes to the swimming pool area. Before entering your swimming pool here, you have a gate. In addition, you have a covered patio here where you can enjoy, put some furniture here, relax during the day, enjoy the beautiful weather here in the fabulous Las Vegas. This swimming pool has a mini wet pad where you can put your chair. In addition, this swimming pool is approximately 21 feet long and 11.5 feet wide. This is also a nice feature here, guys. You have an elevated space here where you can put your table, your seating arrangement, and then watch your kids or your grandkids enjoy this very refreshing swimming pool. This backyard also has an extra space where you can make this your own, make some greenery here, and make this as a dog run. Your dogs will surely enjoy if they see this, and they can run all over on this space if you make it greener. What is also special about this backyard is that your neighbors are single-story homes, meaning on the right side is a single-story home, on your left side is a single-story home, total privacy, and also you don't have any neighbor at the back. Thank you very much everyone for watching the entire tour. I really appreciate it. Again guys, if you would like to tour this with me, please don't forget to contact me on the information on the screen. I'll be happy to tour this with you. Again guys, really appreciate your support to the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to the people you might know might be interested in touring this beautiful home. Until next time guys, have an amazing day today.